National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ackworth, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Marietta, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Lebanon, Kellogg Creek, Sandy Plains, Oak Grove, Kennesaw State University, and Hobgood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 2 p.m. in Atlanta,